Students of class 4. Today I am telling you about the faces of our motherland, chapter 1. Listen, if you want about your country, you must understand its physical feature. For example, if we tell about the physical feature of a person, we describes about his shape of his eyes, lips, nose, height and weight. Like this, a country has also its physical features. What are physical features of a country? Listen, the physical features of a country are mountains, hills, rivers, plains, coast, plateaus, etc. Every person has its neighboring. Like this, a country also has neighbors. Neighboring countries of India. India is situated in southern part of the continent of Asia. The neighboring countries are number 1 China, Bhutan and Nepal in the north, number 2 Sri Lanka and Maldives in south, 3 Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwest, 4 Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. India is a very big and beautiful country. It is the seventh largest and second most populous country in the world. Therefore, India has been divided into states and union territories. We have already know that India has 29 states and 7 union territories. These 7 union territories including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Each state is governed by the chief minister, the governor and the other minister. Most of important offices of the state government are located in its capital. In these 29 states, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state of India. Telangana is the 29th state in India, which was separated from Andhra Pradesh in 2014. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. Union territories are directly under the control of central government. The union territories are headed by deputy governors. Delhi is a union territory, but it is being considered as a state because it is known as the National Capital Territory. India has a union or central government at the center working from capital New Delhi, Prime Minister, the President and other ministers of the central government living in the capital of country. Among 29 states, 7 states in northern eastern India are called Seven Sisters. These include Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Physical division of India. Because India is surrounded by water on 3 sides, so most Indian land forms are peninsula. The southeast is bordered by the Bay of Bengal and the southwest is bordered by the Arabian Sea and in South Indian Ocean. The Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range that rises in the north. India extends from the north to south for about 3200 km and for about 3000 km from west to east. The area of our country is approximately about 32,80,000 square kilometer. There are 6 main regions according to land surface: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the southern plateaus, the coastal plains, the iceland. Mountains of India protects from extreme cold and guard the borders against enemies. The southern part of India is a peninsula. India has a long coastline of 7,516 km including Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Cape Comorin near Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland, while the Indra Point in Andaman and Nicobar Island is southernmost point of the Indian Union. Unity is the diversity in India. Because India is the land of varieties, people living here belong to different religious tribes and races. They have different cultures. They celebrate different festivals, perform different tribes, eat different types of food and wear different types of dresses. In spite all of these differences, India is a country of unity in diversity. Thanks.